Hey guys, Chef Ryan here. I got my collection sorted out. I had a couple of holes in it from last week, but I got it all sorted out, so I am pleased as punch. And this is my new pit case, and I just absolutely love it. We got it shined up, we got it looking good, and I can't wait to get it filled up. Absolutely wonderful. I like it when that lid fits underneath the whole case, you know what? So therefore, it's like not taking up too much real estate, just opening the lid up. So I really like that. These four right here, I have just posted them on eBay. Here's the thing, one of them is active now, and I didn't want them active right now. I wanted all four of these to go up at like our time, 8 o'clock. You know, that's what I wanted. But the T-Bird is absolutely fast. I think this is the one that is active now. The other three are not. The other three are not. God, that goes absolutely fast. I don't know when I redid this, but I remember it didn't have the windshield, the bumpers. I did the lights and everything. Came out wonderful. And I think that is the one that's active. And this chrome T-Bird, that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. I kept hemming and hawing as far as should I put it on eBay or slide it in the collection. I just think that's gorgeous. I'm a sucker. I'm a sucker for the chromies. You guys know that. You guys know that. And the McLaren album, I've got the windshield on there. I've got the pipes there. The guy's head was there. It just looks strong. It's got to be in the groove, doesn't it? Too funny. It's got to be in the groove. But it just looks strong. It really does. I like that. And the thing I like about that the most, the way the wheel wells are. You see how they come up like that? When we were kids, that was just a tough look. That really was. That was a great look. It really was. And then the Mako Shark, the only reason I put this up, it's got track time, not as much as I like, but I have a white Mako Shark that doesn't have any factory accents. So I thought, hey, listen, I'll just go with that one. So this is absolutely wonderful. All right, guys, as far as Eastern Standard Time, all of these will be up Eastern Standard Time at 8 o'clock tonight. 8 o'clock tonight. And again, I think the T-Bird, the convertible is up right now. That's my fault. I should have did the, do you want to list it later thing, and I just skipped over it. But anyways, guys, these are up on eBay, and I started everything at 99 cents. So if you want to get into any of these, now's the time to do it. All right, guys, let me know if you need anything. See ya.